To recap, an inquiry is a request from a customer for general or detailed information about organising an event. We have already seen in a previous video how to create an inquiry. In this video, we will learn how to manage and amend an inquiry, how to accept and convert an inquiry into a booking, and how to record the loss or turn down of an inquiry. Let's search in the tool an inquiry you have already created. Use the filters, for example. But remember, always keep an eye open for unprocessed requests by selecting the Not Answered Inquiries filter. You can also prioritize the processing of your requests by sorting your inquiries by column. Or type the first 3 letters of your inquiry in the search field at the top of the page and click Enter. Select the item you are searching for. To make searching easier, you can click the letter of the alphabet corresponding to the first letter of your inquiry whenever you are in the inquiry column. You can also search using the account or contact column. To change the inquiry owner, meaning the person who will be responsible for this lead, the process is as follows. Go to the Inquiries tab. Click All Inquiries, then Go. Select one or more inquiries. Click the Change Owner button. Click Look Up to select a different owner. Then click Save to record your changes. It is important to assign inquiries to staff members who are actually working on these requests. That way you share the workload and get a better overview of sales. Once you've found the inquiry you want to work on and the owner has been assigned, just click Edit to make your changes and then Save to record them. We're now going to see how to convert an inquiry into a booking so you can respond to your customer. Before converting your inquiry into a booking, you must first check you have availability and that the inquiry fits your strategy, and then qualify it. Let's look at each stage involved in qualifying an inquiry. Delphi FDC has 5 different statuses for monitoring your inquiries. Open is when you don't yet have all the event details. Working means that a team member is currently working on this inquiry. Qualified is a status that Delphi FDC automatically assigns if a response has been sent to the customer. Lost is if the customer has turned down the proposal. Turn down is if the hotel has turned down the proposal. Let's look at an inquiry with open status. Before responding to an inquiry, you must qualify it and add the details that you have obtained from your customer. Complete the conversion rating field. Click Save to confirm. Before going any further, you must double-check the Readiness for Conversion field. If your inquiry is ready to be converted, you can click Create a Booking. The green tick indicates that your inquiry is ready to be converted into a booking and that Delphi FDC has qualified it as an RFP. The orange triangle indicates that your inquiry is not ready for conversion and that Delphi FDC has qualified it as an RFI. If you see an orange triangle, check that the following fields have been filled: arrival date, departure date, booking type, lead source, DIS code, contact. Note that your contact must be linked to an account. Otherwise, you will not be able to convert your inquiry into a booking. Let's take the case of this inquiry where the contact is missing. Click Edit. Click Look Up and choose an existing contact. Be sure to click Save to record your changes. Your inquiry is now ready and you can click Create a Booking. The booking is created and automatically saved with prospect status. The status of the inquiry was automatically changed to qualified and is now linked to the booking. What happens if the customer decides not to pursue their request? In such cases, you must change the status of the inquiry to Lost. Click Edit. Change the status to Lost. Choose from the list the reason for the inquiry loss. Be sure to specify the name of the competing chain. Then click Save. What happens if you decide to turn down an inquiry? In such cases, you must change the status of the inquiry to Turn Down. Click Edit. Change the status to Turn Down. Choose from the list the reason the inquiry was discontinued. You must specify the name of the competing chain. Complete the comments field to explain why the inquiry was discontinued. Click Save. In the event of a turndown, the hotel must forward the request it could not accept to another hotel from Accor Hotels Group, according to the applicable regional procedure. This is the end of the video. You now know how to search for an inquiry in Delphi, amend an inquiry, assign a user to an inquiry, and monitor an inquiry.